Seconds before this Continental Airlines plane veered off a runway in Denver, there was an odd bumping and rattling noise picked up by flight data recorders. Now investigators want to know what that noise was. It was heard 41 seconds after the jet started on its takeoff roll, headed for Houston. A spokesman for the National Transportation Safety Board says 4 seconds later, one of the crew members called for the takeoff to be aborted. The plane ended up on its belly 2,000 feet from the runway. Everyone escaped, even as one side of the plane caught fire. 38 people were injured. The plane was carrying 115 passengers and crew. The first officer is telling investigators the plane was pulling away from the runway's centerline as it reached 103 miles per hour. It then took a sudden left turn off the pavement. So far, nothing seems to be wrong with the plane's 2 engines, its brakes, or wheels, but the investigation is not ruling anything out. This is the first major crash of a commercial plane in the United States since 2006. It could take up to a year for investigators to find out why the plane ended up in this snowy field. Lee Powell, The Associated Press.